ngiyakholwa ukuthi NSFAS yawenza umsebenzi wakhe because baningi abafundi abakwazile ukuthi baphothule izifundo zabo through ifunding ebuya kwa-NSFAS and then bakwazi ukushintsha impilo zabo.
NSFAS yayenza imandate yawo because ama-students amaningi aphuma from rural areas or lower socio-economic statuses. They are able to find themselves within a university, and then kuba khona nalawo opportunities that come with being in a university space, and you get to meet different people. So bayawenza umsebenzi wabo.
I think bawenza umsebenzi wabo, but I genuinely believe they could do more because baninzi abantwana who are still being excluded, and also nemali ababanika yona in terms of the economy esiphila kuyo, the inflation, cost of living, groceries and all of that. I think there should be more.
I think that they do their job in part. They are able to reach certain criteria and do certain things for certain people, but a lot of the missing middle incomes, that's what we call them, are left out in the open.
From my personal experiences, angazi ngihlangabezana nenkinga ze-NSFAS so far, so I would say we are but other friends, about close friends, have had the experiences. So I think they think otherwise, but personally, I think we are so far.
Is the National Student Financial Aid Scheme fulfilling its mandate? Kungabe inhlangano exhasa abafundi bamabanga aphezulu ngezimali iyawufeza umsebenzi wayo? Umbuzo wethu ke lo namuhla mbukeli ngemuva kokuzwa ukuthi ingaphezu kwamabhiliyoni amahlanu amarandi imali yesibonelelo anywhere abafundi bebengafanele bayithole. Igama la ngengubongiwe uMakhumalo waKwaZwane. Sikubingelele sikwamukela ohlelweni lwe-SABC olungunqa phambili Asikhulume, let's talk. Sikukhumbuze ke mbukeli ukuthi ungaba yingxenye loluhlelo ngokusishayela ucingo ubeka umbono noma umbuzo wakho. Inombolo zethu ke zithi 011 714 0677 noma 011 714 0678. Ungabuye futhi usithole kumakhasi ethu okuxhumana ku Twitter @SABC Izindaba kanye na ku Facebook SABC Izindaba. Ukuze kubelula ke mbukeli sicela uqale ngo #Asikhulume #SABC News bese ke ubhala umbuzo noma umbono wakho. Ngokophiko oluphenya ngamacala okukhwabanisa iSpecial Investigating Unit, Uphenyo lokuqala luveze ukuthi ingaphezu kuka-5 billion wamarandi imali okungenzeka ukuthi yabelwe abafundi abebengafanelekile. I-SIU yethule imphumela yayo phambi kwekomiti elibhekelele ukusetshenziswa kwezimali zomphakathi, i-Standing Committee on Public Accounts ePhalamende. Uphenyo lwe-SIU kuze kube manje seliveze ukuthi bangaphezu kuka-40,000 abafundi ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme ezingamashumi isikhombisa nesithupha okungenzeka ukuthi baxhaswe ngendlela engafanele. Laba ngabafundi bamakhaya anabazali noma umzali ohola ngaphezulu kuka-350,000 wamarandi, ngakho abafanelekile ukuthola uxhaso lwesikhwama lwe-NSFAS. Kube nokuphikisana ngesijeziso okufanele sinikwe labafundi. Kungabe bona abafundi bathini ngalokho? Asizwe.
I think there should be an alternative ngoba labafundi ababenefitile okanye abathola funding abangayideserve akusiyiphutha la iphutha libe no-NSFAS ngisho kanjalo because ibona bakhipha ama-funds, so into kufanele bayenze ukuthi benze isiqiniseko ukuthi wonke umuntu abamnikeza ifunding umuntu oyideservayo.
Ngiyavumelana if ama-students they submitted fraud documents, because sometimes ama-students they use, like ngiyakhumbula I used to be part of SABC, ama-students would use what is this? Some slips with SASA from different grandmothers, maybe from your side of your mother, and then you say, I live with this grandmother, and then NSFAS is going to approve because they see with no, yes, SASA recipient.
I believe that they needed it, and as Tatiyani, I think tertiary education should be free, you know. As they afford it, we all come from different backgrounds. As they afford it,
I don't think they should be prosecuted because they are people who are employed and supposed to be qualified to delegate all these funds. How are the funds delegated to the wrong people? They're supposed to be the ones checking, oh, it's okay, this person must get this. How are they getting it wrong? And then now we're supposed to be prosecuted. I don't think that the students should be prosecuted at all.
If you think about it, abantu apply, and then in a way it's the labantu abasupplying imali, it's their fault in a way. So I think they should go and consult with them instead of prosecuting lama students.
Okudingida kabanzi ngalokho asamukele ivakashi zethu mbukeli uAsive Dlanjwa nokhulumela inyunyana yabafundi iSouth African Union of Students kanye nalowo okhulumela iNational Student Financial Aid Scheme umnumzana uSlumezi Sikhosana onathi namhlanje sinamukele namhlanje sihlele nobabili.
Qala bani?
Noma ubani ongaqala Asive siyakwamukela.
Good, thanks sisibongiwe enkosi. It's a pleasure ukuba nani kunye nabaphulaphuli bakho manibulise. And colleague yami at the times my enemy
asithemba ukuthi anizokuba yizitha ke namhlanje siyabonga asiqale ngawe ke Asive le ndaba ukuthi sekuchitheka amabhillion amarandi abantu bathukuthele abanye abathukuthele bathi kodwa abafundi bebeyidinga le mali kodwa abanye bathi cha abafundi bebengayidingi le mali ukudlala nje ngemali kaHulumeni nithini nini
sisibongiwe abafundi abanqasibabiza sithi missing middle enqasithatha nge-missing middle by its very definition sithetha ngabantu abanga afford abangenayo indlela zobayosifundisa sizabakhumbuza abaphulaphula ukuba ifika kanjani le missing middle kunabafundi aba below i-threshold leya 350,000 apho uRhulumente athi angakwazi ubabhatalela kuphinde kubekho ososo bangaphezulu kwala 350 baphinde futhi bangabinayo imali elingene uba bangakwazi bazithathe bahambe bozifundisa babe kule ndawo ke ngobathi missing middle so nge-definition ye-missing middle sithetha ngabantu apha bangakwazi uku-afforda unfortunately based on the affordability estate i-state cannot afford to extend to them like grant bazibhaqe ke ngoku bengakwazi ukuya esikolweni futhi bazibhaqe nabazali babo bengenayo amandla obasesikolweni ukunika umzekelo kubaphulaphula umuntu ongunesi obengunesi for noko iminyaka ethile nomuntu obelipolisa noko for iminyaka ethe qelele uyakwazi ukuyifumana 350,000 ufika ifees sithi 150,000 e-UCT zisithi 140 e-VETS sometimes ufumana uba bade babini abantwana ngexesha elinye abasesikolweni. Now what that happens is that obviously if ifees zithi 360,000 it's not possible for lo mzali basimntana akhe esikolweni ke ngoku ithetha ukuthi bangahlala estradweni abo bantwana in the event that asina solution for them. Kodwa ke let me clarify lento asikhondoni futhi singayivuyeli into yenzekile ukuba kuphethe kulahleka 5 billion rand iye bantwini engokomthetho befanele imali ayanga kuba apho kuqhamla abantu befanele babaqhamlanga. Kodwa siya understand sivisisana nabo kuba ibiyimeko babeke kuloo ndawo ukuze bazibhaqe bephula umthetho ngoba asuzu
phephisa Asive ukuthi ngene lapho ngizofuna ukuthi sikhulume ngokuthi lokukuphula kwabo umthetho kufanele kwenziwe njani kodwa awuthi ngilethela ubaba Sikhosana njengoba usuyichazile sikuzwile ukuthi kwenzakalani la baba Sikhosana asiqale emuva kuze kanjani ukuthi niyithole seninikeza abafundi okungafanelanga bathole le mali ukuthi bayithole.
Make ngiqale lana ke sisibongiwe ukuthi kuthe eminyakeni edlule ngo-2017 kwabonakalisa ukuthi i-NSFAS ineyinkinga ezithize ekutheni ikhulule imali yokufundisa abafundi. Ngaloko ke kwathi uminister obekade phethe ngaleso sikhathi uDr Naledi Pandor wase ecela ukuthi makube no administrator ozophatha i-NSFAS okwesikhashana. Ngifuna nje contextualize this thing in historical terms so that whatever is happening right now kune context to yona. So ke leyo administrator yathi uma icubungula ukuthi kungani iziphi inkinga ezikhona ezenza ukuthi mhlambi NSFAS ingakwazi ukukhipha imali ngesikhathi yabe seyenza certain recommendations which have resulted in I-SIU maybe coming in as well ukuthi inkinga ngabe beyikuphi. So le mali esikhuluma ngayo sikhuluma ngemali eyathinta uNSFAS eminyakeni eyendlule ngo-2016 ukuya ko-2019 not right now. So without actually sounding defensive, ngifuna nje contextualize ukuthi emveni kokuba ke kube nalezo ingqinamba lezo kwabe sekungena i-management lena entsha.
Le ingqinamba okhuluma ngazo zihlanganisa nabantu abasebenzela u-NSFAS.
Kunjalo.
Baphike baboshiwe labo bantu.
Chana kuthethe isikhathi eside ukuthi kucutshungulwe ukuthi kahle kahle ngabe lokho okwabonwa u-administrator ukuthi kunuka santungwana kwazakale ukuthi kuyini njengoba manje kuloku kuvela kancane ukuthi kokunye okungenzeka ukuthi kwakuyingcinamba i-NSFAS ebhekene nazo kubangelwe yiko ukuthi mhlambe kukhona abanye bebexhaswa ngokungafanele okuyiwona mphumela lo esinawo manje.
Kodwa kukhona futhi mhlawumbe oyibuzayo ukuthi bakhona abantu abasebenzela u-NSFAS abakwenzile lokho. Uphenyo malisahamba kancane kangaka kodwa lithi abafundi kuphela. Uphi umuntu osebenzela u-NSFAS ozothi umfundi nangu ekungafanelekile ukuthi ayithole le mali kodwa ayithole?
Kukhona sisibongiwe okufanele ukuthi ngicacise nje impela kuzwakala. Kune impression that has been created ukuthi somebody on the side of NSFAS purposefully or intentionally granted abantu imfundaze bengafanele. Cha kunjalo. Angithi manje sisebenza ngephepha sisibongiwe. Uma ngi-applya mina ngi-applyela e-University of Cape Town as an example, angihambi mina siqu sami ngiyo-apply e-University of Cape Town, ngibathumela imiphumela yami, ngibathumela ama-documents wami. Ama-documents wakhona anjani afana nokuthi mhlambe ngithumele i-copy of my ID which is certified ngase NSFAS lokho esikutholile sasebenza ngako in terms of ama-documents that were supporting the application was correct.
Ngicela sibambe nje kancane asive ngiyathemba ubulalela ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi abantu be-NSFAS balabe khona ngokuthi bona kukhona okungahambi kahle ngaphakathi noma bakhona abantu be-NSFAS abayisebenzelayo okufanele ngabe bayajeza nabo ngalokho kodwa ake sithi shelele eyitolo mbukeli sisahleli nezihambeli zethu siyabuya. Mbokeli usahleli nathi ku-Asikhulume Let's Talk ngaphambi kokuthi siqhubeke nezihambeli zethu ake sizwe ukuthi bathina ababukela emakhasini okuxhumana siqale ngoFacebook. Ukwandokuhle uthi iyasiza yebo kodwa abasebenza ngazo emakhampasini abaphathi abafundi ngendlela elungile mabezobuza imibuzo noma bezolungisa kona. Usiphelo sizobuyela ku comment kaSiphelo njengamanje lona uthi msakazi inhlangano iyawenza umsebenzi wayo inkinga abasebenzela kule nhlangano uNSFAS ababuye bathathe ngozwane. Ngiyabonga msakazi ngicela ukuba uanonymous nilifihle igama lami. Usiphelo uthi yona msakazi uyabasiza ngempela uningi labafundi kodwa abanye bayitholela ithuba lokuyithengela izinto nobukhazikhazi bakhohlwe ukufunda. Sinibonga kakhulu ukuthi nikhulume nathi enkundleni zokuxhumana ake siqhubeke la sikhulume nezihambeli zethu. Asive uzwile kuthiwa abantu abasebenzela uNSFAS kukhona okungathi thina sibabuka ngathi yibona abenza ukuthi labafundi okungafanele bathole imali bayithole kanti bona basebenza ngalokho abakunikiwe abakunikezwa abafundi.
Injalo, it was like that up until last year, moving into this year. Obviously, NSFAS needs to improve their system so that they are able to pick up as in. So NSFAS up, to the extent to which they needed to have systems that should have been able to pick up as anomalies.
Ama-systems abo manje asivunga uchaza kanjani yini into yenza ukuthi lokhu kwenzeke ngama-systems abo mubhekile?
Angcono kakhulu ngo achintshile in fact since la 2017 athetha ngawo uDaduslume. So what happens into yenzeka ngoku bakwazi ucollaborate no SARS no Home Affairs ukwenzela uba le information abayinikwa ngabafundi bakwazi ukuyiverifya with usazi uba nyhani lo mfundi ufola kule bracket and ibikade ingekho njalo. And zezo systems ezo apho ezenze ukuba kube na kokumosha okwenzekileyo. But now as things stand, zi-improvile kakhulu systems because njengoba nisitsho umuntu nxa ke apply ngoku ufake le information yena athi inyani as NSFAS ayithathe ayinqwamanise ne-information abayifumana kusazi ngabesebenzisa ezi-ID number bazinikiweyo ukuze bakwazi ba lento enikwa ngumfundi ethethwa ngumfundi yiyo nyani na in terms of falling within that income bracket. So ezo systems have been improved. It's not a lie to say it would have been difficult when they were still using the system where they only worked on the information which ebebeyifumane bafundi.
Manje kwalaphi asive ngokubona kwakho ukuthi le ndaba oyichaza njenge missing middle ixazululeke ngoba ngiyakhumbula ngo2015 abafundi bateleka siyazi ngefees must fall bebekhala ngakho lokho futhi bethi le ndaba le ayibhekelelo yabazali abayitholayo le mali kodwa abakwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukukhokhela izingane zabo isikolo kwalapho ukuthi sixazulule lento.
Kudala si submit kuhulumende i-models zokuba sizama ukulungisana nalento. And last year was uminister wasungula i-MTT, i-Ministerial Task Team eyomayo investigate. Yabuya ke nyani kulonyaka ophelileyo ne-recommendations. I-recommendation ezo ezinqamanayo nezinye submission asazenzile. Izinto sasizifakile pha ekudala sizithetha. Number 1 kuba la 350,000 makanyuswe at least i-recommendation yethu kusukela from 2016 by the way was that la yayi 120,000 ngoko sisithi mayinyuswe siwe ku 600,000 sayiphinde sayifaka ke nangoku. Why sisitsho njalo? Si believe if it goes up it will be able to cater for la missing need. So uhulumende ke akalanga number 1. Number 2 sathi apho iphela khona masithi mhlambe iphela ku afford 600,000 back 450 or 500,000 from there sithi loans i-loans backed by government ngoba abanye abazali abanayo i-surety futhi abanayo necessary credit capacity ukuyofunela umuntu because ukwenza i-degree ungayi-400,000 for instance ayomali encane. So ezo loan mazibhekwe by government. So as far as we understand uhulumende kumele bakulo nyaka before aphela unyaka abe sekebuyele kuthi kunye neza recommendations ze-MTT apho sicingela basawuvumelana ukuba uyothe phela nonyaka izobe seyikhona i-solution for missing need.
Ngiyakuzwa Asive babusikhosana nithini ngokuxazulula le nkinga khamba kanjani?
Ngingathi nje kuhamba kahle kakhulu kuze kube manje uAsive is on the right track uma ethi isubmission seyenziwa kwi-cabinet ukuthi kubona kuzanywe ukuthi kube ne-comprehensive funding strategy for ama-students ngoba kubonakele ukuthi i-threshold esibekile kubaningi ebashiya ngaphandle le missing middle. That is why sekhona abanye abaye basakhamba to i-temptation yokuthi ba-falsify i-information yabo nje ukuthi bakwazi ukukhokhoba kule threshold.
Manje nithi ababoshwe ke lapho?
Thina ngingaphinda okushiwo uminister uthi there will be consequences kulento lena kodwa ke thina esikushoyo ukuthi mak-investigatewe kulethwe i-report abantu aba-competent to do so. Thina siwu NSFAS asinayo i-skill noma i-competency firstly yoku-investigate such a matter and size sivele ne-sanction yokuthi for such a transgression kufanele ukuthi kwenziweni. Sizoguidiwa umphumela we-SIU in regard to that.
uAsive unikini ikhanda. Asive siyabuya kuwe basibuye ekhefini ngifuna ungitshena ukuthi ulinikinelani lelo khanda ngoba ngiyabona njengoba ngibuza ukuthi abanye kuthiwa bathi ababoshwe abanye kuthiwa kuzoba khona imphumela ngalezi zenzo zabo wena uthini ngalokho kodwa ngiyakubona ukuthi ngathi awuvumelani nalokho. Siyabuya mbukeli sawuphuza amanzi siyabuya futhi nje unganyakazi. Mbukeli usahleli nathi ohlelweni lethu Asikhulume Let's Talk siyaqhubeka nehambile zethu asive ngathi awuvuma ukuthi abafundi ababoshwe.
No, it would not make sense. It would angeke ibe kwi-interest of justice akobulungisa kuba kaloku abafundi kange bayithathe le mali kuba beyeba okanye bethi bayisela.
Kodwa bagangile icala leli.
Asali uyabona nxa sithetha ngejustice ijustice ayithethi ukuthi umuntu omoshileyo maka bene criminal record okanye abotshwe. Ithetha ukuthi khona into erongo ebefanele bayenze kange yenzekile. Ke ngoku senza njani ukuze silungise lento erongo eyenzekile.
Kodwa asive ngaphambi kokuthi uqhubeke phephisa siphelelwa isikhathi. Ukhona umuntu obukele namhlanje othi mina ngihambile ngayontshontsha esitolo kodwa ngaboshwa ngaba necriminal record bengifuna ukuthi ngithole impushana nje ukuthi ekhaya badle ngaboshwa nami lokho bengikwenzela okuhle.
No, if any court would come to that conclusion, I don't think any court in South Africa yagafika kulo conclusion. That would not be in the interest of justice. I in the sense, what we can do here, NSFAS before 2018 used to give out loans. It were not grants, meaning whatever money ababekufundise ngayo wabuye uyibhatala.
Manje uthi
treat it like that, they can pay back the money to try and recoup imali estate eseyiluzile. Not about a criminal record. Abanye babana abantwana, nxa uyobaphosa ejele, abantwana babo bazokwenza ngantoni ngoba ekugqibeleni bafuna ukondla abantu ababo. So it's not in the interest of justice. Akho umuntu onofanele ayophelela ejele okanye bene criminal record ngenxa yokuba ebefuna ukufuna uzafumana umsebenzi.
Awuyibambe kancane ngizwa babsikhosana thiwa cha aningabi nesandla esiqinile.
Kuyazwisiseka lokho ukuthi makungabi khona isandla esiqinile kubafundi ngoba njengoba esho uAsive abathathanga le mali lena baya nayo ndawana thize bayisebenzisele lento esifuna ukuthi isetshenziselwe yona in any event okuyimfundo and kubalulekile ukuthi isizwe siyibone inqubekela phambili ngokuthi sifunde manje uma sesobathatha sibafaka ejele I know I'm sticking my neck out uma ngizama ukuveza my left hand column concerning njengomzali ukuthi angeke kube mnandi ukuthi manje sesizo bopha abantwana abanenyora lemfundo abane thirst for education angithi kunanasi isisho esithi if you open the school door you are closing the jail door so uma singenza njengoba uAsive esho any other way round we would be doing the opposite of what I've just mentioned so bese sibopha umntwana enza lento esiyifunayo
ngiyanizwa nobabili Asive uno 20 seconds yini into engenziwa ngokubona kwakho ukuthi konke lokhu kulungiswe nani njengabafundi nibhekelelwe ngenkinga zenu
Uhulumende makakhawulezise finalize la MTT report and as a recommendations MTT report ukuba angakhawuleza finalize la report ingxaki zethu ezininzi zizawuphela ngoba izawuthetha ukuthi the poor and the working class are funded, missing middle funded, ne postgraduate students are funded, which is the biggest crisis we sector funding. So sithi uhulumende makakhawulezise la report sithi sivula next year ibe seyigqityiwe recommendations la report sazi uba wonke umntwana uyongena esikolweni uyakwazi uba afunde.
Babsikhosana
swam ngicela ukuthi ngizisebenzise njengesibonelo sokuthi uNSFAS uyasebenza ngoba kukhona umbuzo ubuzile ecaleni just by way of summary ukuthi uyasebenza yini uNSFAS 33 years ago I was a first year student at Wits University ngingena lutho ngiyibuyele emaphandleni ngafika enyuvesi i-Wits University council yanginikeza nje umfundaze wonyaka wokuqala kodwa mase kufanele ngiye onyakeni wesibili ngangingasena mali futhi kwakufanele ngithuthe ngibuyele ekhaya kodwa kwase kwenzeka into ezimbili kwavela i-French government yathi sizokunikeza okuncane okungaka kodwa yes a condition do French as a course c'est pour ça j'ai parlé français très bien aujourd'hui so
uzongifundisa ke masiqeda
yeah by the way je suis vraiment content de vous voir aujourd'hui so ke i-French government ya step in kodwa kwabe sekwenzakala okunye futhi engicabanga ukuthi it's of relevance kwavela uTEFSA. uTEFSA umzali noma nje i-predecessor to i-NSFAS. Yabe senginikeza i-loan. I-loan yakhona yangenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuqeda izifundo zami enyuvesi. Kodwa ke kwakune condition nakhona, i-condition ethi ngizawubhadala. Ngempela uma sengiqala ukusebenza at the American Embassy ngicala ngiena ngakwazi ukuthi ngibuyisele uNSFAS imali yakhe. So ke uNSFAS uyasebenza. Kodwa ke by way of rounding up in terms of the systems that we have put in place to prevent
no 2 seconds.
Yeah, angazi kodwa ke bengithi mina njengoba asive eshilo sesiphuthe in place ama systems enzayo ukuthi kungabi lula ukuthi baphula ukundlele labo abafuna ukwenqa ngaphezulu noma ukungena ngaphansi kwe threshold ngokuthi sibe integrated with other government agencies. Authenticate information.
Njoba sigoqa la nobabili ngicela nivume ningikweleda upart 2 wale nkulumo yethu ngoba ngiyathanda ngendlela esiqede ngayo. Ngiyalithanda nodaba lwakho olushoyo ngoba siliqala kwaTEFSA siphinde futhi sifike kuNSFAS. So nobabili ke ningikweleda upart 2 ukuthi sizoyikhuluma kahle lezisombululo zethu ukuthi zenze njani zibuya kanjani njengoba usho futhi ukuthi ama systems enu asengcono kakhulu manje no asive vuma. Ngiyayibona ukuthi konke lokho kufanele futhi nomunye umfundi obukele simsize ukuthi usondela kanjani eduze kweni. Nginibonga kakhulu namhlanje ngokuthi nisihambele sibonga kakhulu nina ababukeli nezihambele zethu asive dlanjwa okhulumela inyunyana yabafundi iSouth African Union of Students kanye nalowo okhulumela iNational Student Financial Aid Scheme umnumzana uSlumezi Sikhosana ayiqhubeke ke ingxoxo emakhasini okuxhumana umakhumalo wakwazana uthi nisale kahle.